This is one of the harder dynamic programming questions that appears at every single company. So given an array of integers, we are allowed to place plus or minus in front of the numbers to generate an expression. Now you are also given a target value. Return the number of expressions that evaluates to target. Let's say we're given this array with target equal to 3, we can generate 5 expressions that evaluates to 3, so we can return 5. Let's go over the thought process. We can first find the total sum of the integers. Now, if the total sum is less than the target, we can never generate an expression that evaluates to target, so we can return 0. And also, if the negative sum is greater than the target, we can never generate an expression that evaluates to target. After handling the two edge cases, we can create a variable sum to keep track of the sum of the expression. Now, for each of the numbers, we have two choices. We can either add it to our sum or decrease it from sum. We will find the total number of expressions from both choices. Let's implement the function find expression with target, taking the input array and target. Calculate the sum of the array. If the sum is less than target or negative sum is greater than target, return 0. Return the result of the helper method. Now let's implement the helper method, taking the current index, the sum, the input array, and target. If index is out of bound, return 1 if sum is equal to target, else return 0. Find the number of expression of sum plus the current elements. Find the number of expression of sum minus the current elements. Return the total number of expressions.